In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize HubSpot knowledge base articles. If you're using HubSpot for your business, a well-organized knowledge base can be a game changer for providing support and information to your customers, while also taking some weight off your customer service team. Let's walk through the process step by step. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot homepage URL, which is www.hubspot.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice in the top right hand corner there's an option to log in. Click on that login button, which will take you to the HubSpot login page. Here, enter your HubSpot credentials, your email and password, and go ahead and click login. This will bring you to your HubSpot homepage where you can access all the tools and features HubSpot has to offer. Now, once you're on the HubSpot homepage, shift your attention over to the top navigation bar and find the section labeled Content. Hover over or click on Content to reveal a drop-down menu of options. From this list, you want to choose Knowledge Base. Selecting this will direct you to the page where all the magic happens, where you can view, edit, and manage your knowledge base articles. Next, you'll see a screen listing all of your existing articles, as well as options to create new ones. To start editing or crafting a new article, look for the button labeled Actions. This button kind of acts as the control center for managing your articles. Click on Actions and you'll see an option labeled Edit. Selecting this will take you into the article editor. While in the editor, you have a plethora of tools and features at your disposal to both create content and personalize it to fit your brand's voice and style. Here you can add text, images, videos, or even tweak formatting to ensure the article is as informative and visually appealing as possible for your audience. Customizing these articles is crucial as it ensures that the readers have a comprehensible and user-friendly experience, meeting their needs efficiently. And there you have it, a straightforward walkthrough on creating and customizing your HubSpot knowledge base articles. By following these steps, you will be able to build a comprehensive knowledge base that both empowers your team and enhances the customer experience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Until next time, happy HubSpotting.